Hi, this is going to be a quick tutorial showing you how I've been scraping data from Google Books. I am following the method of Jacqueline Heddle, which I refer to in some of my blog posts, using the scraper that exists inside Google Chrome. So the first thing is to point to what you want to scrape. So if I only wanted to scrape the titles of the books in my search results. So in this case, I'm looking for the phrase pleasure and danger in Google Books. I would left click, scrape similar, and you would see all the books listed on that page are now parsed out in a nice little table that I can export to Google Docs. You can do all sorts of good stuff with XPath, but frankly, I'm almost always trying to do the absolute fastest thing I can, and so I usually just grab whatever I can get on the page. What if I wanted more of the metadata? If I highlight the whole thing and put the cursor in the middle when I left click, you can see I get more information. That's pretty much it. I do this all the time, especially inside databases, which are more difficult to scrape using Wget. Again, not impossible, but when I'm scraping this stuff, it's usually because I'm trying to figure out if it's worth doing anything more extensive. If it is, then I can do it in more detail. But this will usually give me enough, like for example here, title, author, year. That's enough usually for a pretty decent visualization. Hope this helps.